What's good, my cannabis connoisseurs? I am Akil, the real deal with Zeal and mass appeal, and I review cannabis strains and dispensaries in Las Vegas at lvcannabisreviews.com. And today, I'm feeling super fresh blessed because I am reviewing some strawberry cough. This is a 0.5 gram cartridge from Select. Look at the beautiful packaging. This is why I love the brand Select, how they present the product and the quality of the concentrate. This only has one terpene. It has a lot of limonene in it, and limonene is great for stress, depression, and gastric reflux. I love the flavor of the strawberry cough. If you want to hear more of my thoughts on this product, please come through and check out lvcannabisreviews.com to see what's really good in Las Vegas and cannabis. Peace.